Ladies and gentlemen, the beach is now open. As long as you follow these rules, social distancing is required. Welcome back everyone, I am Tampa J and I am so excited that today I am able to set foot back onto a beach again. Clearwater Beach is now open for the first time in over a month. You are legally allowed to put your little toes into the sand and into the water. I had to come out here and cover it. Also, there are several restaurants and businesses that are now back open, following social distancing rules, of course. Outdoor seating is available. Let's take a look at the beach and some of those restaurants. Come with me, my friends. There is much ahead. And for you map heads out there, we are located at number 3 Mandalay Avenue Beach Access on North Beach. Guys, you don't know how excited I am to step foot in the sand right now. So excited. Woo! Beach is open! Beach is open! Beach is open! Yeah! The beach is open! Woo! Hey fellas, that's not social distancing. It feels absolutely amazing out here, and there is plenty of room all the way down North Beach. This beach goes for several miles. Even if you were to park in South Beach and walk all the way down, which it's one awesome walk by the way, you have plenty of room to keep your social distance. The beach is the place to be. Man, I'm so excited to be out here. I hope if you're watching this and you're up north, I hope someday soon you'll be able to come back down to Florida. Or even if it's for the first time, I hope you will be able to come to Florida and enjoy the water yourself. I'd say we're a good mile north of Pier 60. I was just out here a couple months ago, a week before spring break should have began. I'll put a link to that video at the top of the screen. That was a rooftop sunset tour of Clearwater Beach. Oh look, a snook. That black line across its body is a dead giveaway that it's a snook. Welcome to Clearwater Beach, my friends. The water is very clear. As clear as I've ever seen it. Check out this boat. It's a boat of advertising out beyond the sandbar. Multiple ads running on that thing. Alright guys, I'm having so much fun. I'm getting a little overheated. I could go for a drink. Now there are quite a few places that are open out here that opened up as well. I always like these beach houses that sit way up high on stilts that look very top heavy, but they sustain hurricane winds. It's definitely hard to believe. They are cool looking houses, aren't they? Although many hotels are not open yet, there are quite a few restaurants that are now open in Clearwater Beach. Check it out. This cute little pizza shop is open for business. Looks like Jammin's Beach Bar has adapted to the situation by serving paninis and drinks to go. Now that's an attention getter right there. Look, they have free teepee. They weren't joking, they actually have toilet paper on the wall in here. Look at that. I was searching for that about a month ago. It looks like just about every shop on Clearwater Beach is open. I've passed a few and surprisingly the doors are all open. Yep, wide open. Here's another one. Ooh, the breeze from the air conditioning coming through the door feels so nice. Ooh, that feels so good. Might stay here for a second. Okay, gotta keep going. Well, it's kind of crazy that Cooter's isn't open. One of my family's personal favorite places to eat seafood on all of Clearwater Beach. Understandable though, I'm sure it's just a matter of time before Cooter's opens back up again. And there's Cooter up there on the sign. He's actually a beer guzzling turtle. Crazy Cooter. But right next door and open, Frenchie's Saltwater Cafe. Another great place to grab some seafood. The outside patio is open. They are seating around the bar. The Pooh Fairy doesn't live here. Scoop your poop. The iconic Wing Surf Shop is open too. Social distancing rules do apply. We ask that you please abide by respect to the CDC guidelines. I'm going in. Anything from koozie sweatshirts, surfboards, and more. Welcome to Wings. Well, looky who it is here. It's Mickey Mouse. For a second there, I thought I was inside a gift shop at Magic Kingdom. Wishful thinking. Fun fact and a little bit of Clearwater Beach history. The roundabout, when you first enter Clearwater Beach, its center is now just a patch of grass and bushes. But it used to be a fountain that towered above the road. It is said that that fountain cost the city of Clearwater over $1 million, but it was quickly demolished because the amount of accidents that occurred from people rubbernecking and looking at the fountain while maneuvering through the difficult roundabout. That fountain was short-lived. It was beautiful, I do remember it, but I can see why it caused a lot of distraction. But that fountain was right here in the center of the roundabout. Well, hello there, Ron John Surf Shop and Hooters Clearwater Beach Dolphins. I just saw your cousin up in Tarpon Springs at the Sponge Docks. It's good to see you guys again. I always fail to point this out, but if you want to come down to Clearwater Beach and you don't like the sand, there's always this grassy field right here just beyond the roundabout in between Pier 60 to do so. And there's no one out here today. Look at this. You could come out here, spread out a towel or a chair. Heck, you could even just go down to the water and back and come back here. Wide open, wide open. Just had to point that out. Now the public playground is still closed. It's all roped off with caution tape. It's even in Spanish too. I see cuidado over there on that column over there. You may recognize this stretch of stones from one of my past Clearwater Beach videos. You might. Depends on how long you've been watching. Now it's time to climb aboard Pier 60. I don't think we can get too far though. It might be blocked off. The public restrooms are open, but remember, rule number 3, beware of bathrooms. I think I'll hold it. There is no possible way we are getting out on that pier without getting arrested. It is barricaded off. But the beach is open. Looks like I'm not the only one out here today covering the first day of the beaches back open. Local ABC Action News. Looks like the water's still running on this wash station. I walked a little further out onto the beach so I could get a closer look at this sign. This one more permanent. If you don't live together, stay 6 feet apart. Do not congregate in groups. No groups of more than 10 people. A lot of younger folk out here. I suspected there would be. It's a Monday, there's no school, and there's a ton of beach out here and a ton of fun and sun to be had. Just hope everyone's following the rules. It looks like they are. There is a lifeguard on duty on this portion of the beach. And if you've never seen it before, here's a look at the Clearwater Beach Patrol Station. The lifeguard station. Looks like the local police brought out the heavy artillery. They have their local command vehicle stationed out here. Probably to relieve the officers, give them a bit of air conditioning and a place to take a break since there are So many of them out here. It looks like just about every news affiliate is out here covering the first day of the beaches being back open. Here's a news reporter right here about to cover the story. Just as people are walking by and me filming her. Okay, I'll move along. Here's a little pointer. If you're coming to Clearwater Beach and you're looking for a parking spot that is in walking distance, actually sits on the beach, then come to the Hilton Hotel right off the roundabout. That's where I parked today. Now it is $7 an hour, which is not bad. It's a little more than the North Beach parking garage, which is $3 an hour, but it is so close to the beach. There's a lot of space out here today. And look right there. You're within walking distance. There's the water. Here's the beach access that sits on the back of the parking lot of the Hilton. Now I want to say it's not normally this accessible, but because they're doing construction, it's currently wide open. Fun fact, way back in the day, you might remember a reality TV show called The Surreal Life starring Paris Hilton and Nicole Richie. And on that first season, they stayed right here in this Hilton Hotel, right here on Clearwater Beach. I have come across the roundabout to the Marina Cantina, the Clearwater Marina. There are some shops in here and some restaurants that are still open. There wasn't much inside but a little gift shop where I was able to get a bottle of water. I needed it. It's hot. Oh, and by the way, I just recreated Mel Gibson's footsteps from Lethal Weapon 3. It was filmed right here. Little filming location for you. Okay, but I'm still hungry. There's got to be something open over here. I smell something. Roundabout Pizza. Just east of the roundabout here at the Clearwater Marina. Ooh, pepperoni. Here I come. Pepperoni. Looks like we got a nice little toppings bar. Add your own toppings. Alright. Look at that.
Into the fire.
Into the fire. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy pizza. That's
the same thing.
It is the same thing. Now there is plenty of outdoor seating available to eat my pizza, but I think I might take it somewhere else. Bon appetit. Look at that. Ooh, deliciousness. Well guys, unfortunately, this is going to be the end of it. Wow. I've had a lot of pizza on this beach. Used to live and work here many years ago. I got pizza everywhere. And I have to say, Roundabout Pizza is probably the best slice of pizza I've had on the beach. Or maybe it's just because I haven't had a slice of pie in quite a bit of time. It tastes great. Just take my word for it. It's a good slice of pizza. But anyways, I am Tampa J, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining me. And if you come down to Clearwater Beach, please follow the laws, the social distancing rules, and have fun. Most importantly, have fun. Why? Because you guys deserve it. Man, I could just sit out here all day and eat pizza. I'll see you later, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I am Tampa J, and there's much ahead, my friends. Meaning, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe below and hit the notification bell. That way you join me next time. Maybe I'll have some more pizza. Or maybe I'll just come out here and enjoy the sun some more. And then have some more pizza. Maybe this crow wants some pizza. Maybe not.